Very good morning, dear students of standard 4th. Again I have came here with English Bal Bharti subject. Okay, lesson number 13. Lesson number 13. Already I have gave you the notes of lesson number 12 and even given the video of lesson number 13, explanation video of lesson number 13. Now here I came with a notes. You have to write all the notes in a notebook. Okay, so let's get started now. Now here is the first question. Complete the following. The Sultan was a good ruler. See, these are the questions with the answer. A sultan was a good ruler. Second, the Qazi was an honest and upright man. Third, the guards refused to let the officer go inside the palace. Fourth one, the officer could not return without serving the summons. Understood? This is your first question. Now here are the objective questions. See, fill in the blanks with a word from the bracket to form the correct pair. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट वन, बो एंड एरो. निडल एंड क्या आएगा? निडल के साथ सुई के साथ धागा, थ्रेड. कप एंड सॉसर, शूज एंड सॉक्स. ओके, these are the opposites. Give the opposites of the following word: eastern, western, honest, dishonest. Pronunciation should be clear. Inside, outside, enter, exit. Now here are the articles. Articles already I have taught you in a grammar. So fill in the blanks with the correct article a, an and the. See, dash Qazi was dash honest and upright man. तो क्या आएगा? The Qazi was an honest. An क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि यहाँ पे H है. H is a vowels. Okay, A E O I U. Okay, so H is silent. H is not a vowel. O is vowels, but H is honest. Here the pronunciation is honest. So honest में H जो है that is silent. We don't tell honest. Okay, we say honest. So here an. Understood? Now he sent dash officer. तो यहाँ पे again O आ रहा है. तो an officer to summon the Sultan office to his court. Third one, when dash officer reached the place, the guard stopped him. Okay. Next one, the officer was now in dash fix. Now in a fix. Next one, he could not return without serving the, यहाँ पे द आएगा, summons to the Sultan. Next, dash Qazi would not take him back. The Qazi would not take him back. Okay, तो ये आपको करना है. See, you have to write it down in your book. ये सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आपको लिखना है. Now here I come with question answer, assignment 2, question answer. Write the answer to the following questions. Why was the Sultan surprised? सुल्तान क्यों सरप्राइज हो गए थे? The sultan was surprised when he heard the untimely call. What is the meaning of untimely? यानी टाइम, बिना टाइम के. अगर बिना टाइम के प्रेयर का भी एक टाइम होता है ना, तो बिना टाइम के अगर प्रेयर किया जाए तो वो सुन के वो सरप्राइज हो गए थे. जो किंग है, सुल्तान है, वो सरप्राइज हो गए थे. अनटाइमली कॉल फॉर द अजान. अजान मीन्स व्हाट? द मोमेडियंस डू ना, अल्लाह अकबर ऐसे बोलते हैं ना उन लोग. तो वो जो प्रेयर करते हैं तो अजान का भी एक टाइम होता है, तो कोई भी टाइम में अजान किया नहीं जा सकता. तो वही सुन के सुल्तान सरप्राइज हो गए थे. Was the officer successful in serving the summons? Yes, the officer was successful in serving the summons. What did the sultan do when he got the summons? The sultan read the summons and told the officer that he would appear in the court, Qazi's court, to the next day. Okay? So this you have to write it down. Now here question number 3 दिया हुआ है आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या लिखना है? 4. ओके, 1 मिनट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इट विल बी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था? कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग. सेकेंड, फिल इन द ब्लैंक, करेक्ट पेयर. थर्ड, ऑपोजिट वर्ड. फोर्थ, आर्टिकल. फिफ्थ वॉज क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड द सिक्स्थ वन इज दिस. एड ly. आपको वर्ड्स में ly ज्वाइन करना है. जैसे लाउड, लाउडली. इमीडिएट, इमीडिएटली. ठीक है ना? IMMIDIATELY. eager, eagerly. Time, timely. Again we have a opposite word. Untimely, timely. Appear, disappear. Respect, disrespect. And sharp, blunt. Got it, students? Now here are some oral tests, or you can say as assignment. These are the assignments you have to write in your own. Okay. Question 1. Read the following part. When the काजी give his judgment. ठीक है, काजी ने अपना जजमेंट कब दिया? ऑलरेडी पेज नंबर इज डिफाइंड हियर, सो यू हैव टू रीड द टेक्स्ट. द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन द सुल्तान एंड काजी. You have to write it down. Now second question, why did the widow go to the Qazi? What did the guard not allow? Why did the guard not allow the officer inside the palace? Why did the Sultan take with him when he went to the court? सुल्तान ने कोर्ट में जाते वक्त अपने साथ क्या लिया था? Fourth one, why did the Qazi not get up with the Sultan entered? जब सुल्तान एंटर्ड हुआ कोर्ट में तो काजी स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में क्यों नहीं खड़े हुए? You have to give the answers of this question. So this is your assignment which you have to do in your book. Okay students, so complete your work. Again I will come with a next lesson notes to you. Till then complete this. Okay, so see you in next period with a next topic. Till then, bye.